Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Bambu Lab A1 printer to your laptop or PC. So in order to do it, first you will need to connect it with the phone. I know it sounds kind of weird because it is, and we just need to get the Bambu Handy app so we can assign it to our account. Then we can log into the account on our PC. So this is the Bambu Handy app. I'm gonna show it here. You need to download it. You can get it on App Store or on Play Store, and then open it. And at first it will ask you to log into the account. And now, as it's done, let me just go into that app. You will go to the devices here at the bottom, and you can click on Bin Printer. Now on your printer, go to Setting, Account, and scan the QR code with your phone. Make sure the correct region is selected. Now you can just click on Read and Accept and click on Confirm to bind. Now it is binding. Now on your phone, you just need to confirm and your device is connected. I'm gonna go to my laptop in a second. Also, it works both on macOS as well as Windows, so it doesn't matter which one you have. And on your laptop, you should go to the website bambulab.com and go to Downloads Studio. So you can just go to, on the bambulab.com, you can go to the software and go to Bambu Studio. So now select your either Windows or macOS. You can also get it for Linux from GitHub. I'm gonna get it for macOS. Just click on that, then select where to download it, and it will start downloading. It will take a moment. Now, as it's downloaded, on Windows, it'll be the exe file, so you can just open it and go through the installation process. On Mac, it's gonna be the DMG file. You can also open it. Then just drag the Bambu Studio app to Applications folder. It should start copying. After it's copied, you can close that window. I'm gonna close out of Finder. Then I'm gonna go to the launcher and find Bambu Studio. Then you need to click on Open to agree to open the app. And now you need to log in. I was logged in, so I'm gonna just re-log in. You can see here. I'm gonna agree to the terms first, then select the Google account. Then I'm gonna select my Google account. Now I'm logging in. Now I need to click on Open Bambu Studio app. Then I'm gonna click on Yes to synchronize everything. And we can see as we go to, for example, to the device, we can play the camera. We can see how the spools look right now at the moment. So this is how they are. Then you can also go to your micro SD card and see your time lapses. So I'm gonna download it so I can view it later. And this is how it all looks. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.